Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Mediterranean bean dip. I'm going to use garbanzo beans, but it's not going to be quite hummus. I'm going to mix it with some feta cheese and some black olives and a little bit of mint and some olive oil. So garbanzo beans, I have pre-cooked them. Put them in the food processor. Feta cheese, black olives, lemon, mint, a bit of salt, some olive oil, it's a little chunky, but you know, that works. And I'm gonna mix this with just a little bit of yogurt. Make it creamy. The reason I don't put the yogurt in the food processor is because it'll get really liquidy. Kind of breaks down. Okay, and there you have a Mediterranean bean dip.